I'm from Matteo from Spotahome Room. This is the apartment in Via Sagunto in the neighborhood Numidio Quadrato. We are on the first floor, and in this apartment you can go from this apartment you can go to the metro station Lucio Sestio and also Numidio Quadrato. They are very close too. You can also go to the Parco degli Acquedotti in a few minutes, and in 10 or 15 minutes you can go to the University Tor Vergata. So let's start with a tour of the apartment. Here we have the bedroom number 1, the bathroom, the landlord bedroom, the living room with the dining room over there, and another landlord bedroom over there, and here there is the kitchen. So let's start with the bedroom number 1, where we have this double bed, the chest of drawers, and the window that is on the intern patio. There is this large mirror and wardrobe. That was the bedroom number 1. Let's continue with the bathroom over there. Here we have the shower, this toilet, bidet, the sink, this mirror. Bathroom. Let's continue with the living room, where we have this TV, another mirror, and 2 sofas. Here we are in the dining room with this large table for 5 people. The intern patio. You can see and hear from the window. That is the landlord bedroom. That was the living room. Let's continue with the kitchen, where we have this other table, the stove, the oven, the view still into the intern patio. That washing machine, the dishwasher, the microwave, the fridge. So that was the kitchen of the apartment. So that was the apartment in Via Stativo. I'm Matteo from Spotahome Room. Bye.